Okay, so here is the first start after repairs. I plug it in, I feel the maximum level as required, so one sign on the gone, but then there is a clean tray sign. Open it up. Open it up. Absolutely clean. So never used since repaired. Okay. Yeah, I can see clean. Now it looks okay. Some coffee here. Whatever else. Oh. Get in. So since first turn on, the machine never gave any sound, only the light off and on. I mean, the beeping was there, but no internal components movement.